Hello.
Hey guys, I'm Kelly.
I'm Mark.
We're from the Traveling Duo. Welcome back.
Today we are going to discover a few hidden gems, maybe not so hidden, but a few hidden gems in St. Petersburg. So if you travel to St. Petersburg, Florida, we're going to show you a couple spots that you're going to want to check out. We made it to the Queenshead. This is one of our favorite restaurants to stop and eat at when we're over here in St. Petersburg. Good food,
yes.
Very British-inspired food, and they play great music. Most of the time, British-inspired music. They just had the Clash, Rock the Casbah playing as we walked up, which is great. They also offer some foods that are Italian-inspired as well. And they've got gluten-free options, they've got a vegetarian options, so a little bit for everybody. They typically have some really good beers, local beers here on tap, so if you're looking for good beer, good place to get an alcoholic beverage, this is also a great spot to hang out. They'll typically play live music as well in the evenings. So here on Central Avenue is a really cool destination spot here in St. Petersburg. Lots of places to have some fun, get some food, and do some shopping as well.
Yeah, and this building was a 1930s gas station.
Yeah, so the Queenshead is built in like a 1930s inspired gas station or an old building, so that's kind of cool too. And they got a really pretty mural along the side of the building as well, which is awesome. So we're gonna get some lunch here today. We'll show you the menu, and hopefully you'll come check out the Queenshead when you come to St. Petersburg on your vacation. Greg,
See you inside.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go eat some food.
Yeah. What you gonna get? This is what I ask him all the time. What you gonna get?
Food.
What kind of food?
Something on this menu. What are you
I would hope it'd be on the menu. Oh no. I only have every day.
I think I'm gonna do some sliders. They have the short rib sliders, the steak burger sliders, and lamb burger. I think I might get the short rib sliders and a side of Brussels sprouts.
Camera eats first.
Oh man! Food is here. Kelly's got her salad. We've got the Brussels sprouts and my sliders. So we're gonna enjoy this food here while it's nice and warm. All right, Brussels sprouts.
Good?
Mm-hmm. You want me to feed you? You don't like it?
It's good.
But what?
Bacon.
You don't like bacon?
No, I like bacon.
Here you go. I'm
onions on
Man,
it.
look at that. Looks awesome.
That looks good. Good.
Short rib sliders. And they have a full-size short rib sandwich you can get too. If you don't like the little sliders, they have a full-size sandwich. It's pretty good.
They have a really, really good sticky toffee here. It is amazing. Remember? I'm losing my voice, so that's why I'm not talking very loud.
What we drinking?
I would say this is chocolate milk.
It looks like chocolate milk. This is Duclaw's chocolate peanut butter porter.
I'm looking forward to it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Steph and Rick taught us that one. The cheers. Remember? Most times we just grab a beer and drink it really fast. Shake your head. Yeah. I miss Stephanie.
Pretty good. You like it?
Ooh, that is really smooth. I like this one.
Lunch is in the books. It's good lunch. Did you enjoy your Caesar salad?
Caesar, yes.
All right.
And my one chocolate peanut butter
Porter?
porter.
Yeah, so we had the beers, which were good. I had the sliders, and then the Brussels sprouts, which were good. All in all, I think we spent like 36 bucks before tip for all of that. So very inexpensive place to eat and get some good food. I'm like dodging the little tikis. And now we are on our hike back to where we parked, which is our final destination.
Ooh,
Final destination.
where are we going?
One of the other really great places to go when you're in St. Pete is one of the many breweries. They have little microbreweries all over the place, especially quite a few here along Central. We are going to Three Daughters. Why are we going there?
Why is it $3? Why not 2? Why not 1? $3. Well, we're going there to see Alyssa and Griff to celebrate their 10,000 views on YouTube.
Woo! No, not views, subscribers. 10,000 subscribers.
Woo.
So we're gonna go hang out with them. They're having a fun event today at Three Daughters to celebrate that. The Cruise Geeks will be there as well, Matt and Sandy, and I'm sure we're gonna see quite a few other people. And hopefully we'll see you there. Hopefully we did see you there, I should say, by the time you see this. So we're making our little trek back, and we'll come back at you when we get to Three Daughters.
See ya. So we made it to Three Daughters, and they're over there on the bench, and they have no idea we're here. At least we think they don't know we're here. So we're gonna try to peep over here for a second, so we can show you that we're here. Come over here.
Shit. I'll put some music on there.
Some of them moved. Some of them moved.
Yeah, they walked. Looks like they walked.
Uh-oh. So, how do we capture a picture? This is gonna be tricky because our car is tinted, so I can't take a picture. I have no idea. Well, some of them. I don't think we're gonna take our camera in because it looks like they don't have their camera with them. But we just wanted to do a little peep show so y'all see that we are here to celebrate Alyssa and Griff 10,000 subscribers. So we're excited. We're gonna have some fun. We might bring the cameras back out, hopefully. So we're gonna have some fun. Excited? We're excited.
What are you drinking?
Peach sriracha.
She said peach sriracha. We don't have a microphone on the top of this camera. It's a peach sriracha cider. It's pretty good.
This one is so good. Yummy.
You're really close to the camera, it's funny. I said you're really close to the camera, it's funny. So here at Three Daughters, they have all kinds of different craft brews, and Kelly's enjoying some of their many different ciders that they have, which is really good. Just awesome flavors. Margarita, peach sriracha, they're doing a leprechaun juice. I think they milked a leprechaun for that one. And then what was the other one that we got? Oh, there's a blueberry peppercorn, which is really good. So, yeah, lots of good stuff here at Three Daughters, and we're enjoying our time. We've got all kinds of YouTube travel vloggers. We got Matt and Sandy from the Cruise Geeks, Griff and Alyssa from Griff and Alyssa on YouTube. We have John here from the Klaykowskis, and we've got the Degenerates here. Man, we got everybody. This is really, really cool. Yeah. So we finished up at Three Daughters with all of our cruise vlogging friends. So we're now gonna head to get some tacos probably at Casitas, right?
I know, weird that I'm recording and you're recording at the same time.
That's weird.
I know, it's weird. And then we have the eclectic sun.
Oh, hurry, we gotta hurry. So we're heading with this big crew. Heading to get some tacos, some sort, some tacos. We had a great time at Three Daughters with Griff and Alyssa, the Cruise Geeks, Matt and Sandy, John from the Klikowskis. Great time. We also have the Degenerate Cruisers as well. So just good time. Good time making some new friends and getting to know each other a little better. And tonight continues. I lost Kelly, she's way back there, taking some photos. So we'll see you when we get to our dinner spot here. What you doing back there?
Running. Who's in the background?
Who?
Now you see me? Now you don't.
See ya, John.
Yeah,
All right, we had an absolutely phenomenal day today celebrating the 10,000 plus now subscribers for Griff and Alyssa on YouTube. Got to hang out with some really cool YouTubers and vloggers, so we had a lot of fun. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us that thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe if you are not already subscribed. If you hit that little bell icon, we will notify you when new videos come out.
Yes.
So until next time.
We'll see you around the world.
Peace.
Bye.